Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered what it's like to stay in a hotel alone, in a big city, speaking only English? In today's episode, we'll follow a young traveler named Adam on his first hotel adventure, from checking in at the front desk to ordering dinner, asking for Wi-Fi, and exploring the city. Adam is doing it all in English. This isn't just a story, it's a real-life English journey, full of useful words and phrases you can use too. So, grab your headphones, relax, and let's learn English the fun way, with Adam. Today, let's follow Adam. He is traveling to a new city, a big city, full of lights, people, and tall buildings. Adam is going to stay at a hotel, alone, for the first time in his life. He feels a mix of excitement and nervousness. Let's follow Adam as he checks in, asks for help, and speaks English with the hotel staff. Ready? Let's go. There's a fresh smell in the air. Maybe flowers? Maybe lemon? A woman at the front desk smiles at him. Receptionist. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Grand City Hotel. How can I help you today? Adam. Hi, I have a reservation. My name is Adam Zaki. She types on the computer. Receptionist. Yes, Mr. Zaki. One single room for 3 nights, checking out on Friday. Is that correct? Adam. Yes, that's right, receptionist. May I see your passport, please? Adam. Sure, here it is. She types again. Then she gives him a key card. Receptionist. You are in room 412. The elevator is to your right. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. If you need anything, just dial 0 from your room phone. Adam. Thank you very much. He walks toward the elevator, holding his bag and his key card. In the elevator, Adam presses the button. Ding! The elevator opens, he steps in. It's quiet inside. He presses 4. The elevator goes up. He watches the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ding! He walks out and finds room 412. He uses the key card. Click! The door opens. Inside the room is small but nice. There's a big soft bed, a small desk, a clean bathroom, and a window with a great view of the city lights. Adam puts down his bag and looks around. Adam. Wow, I did it. First hotel stay alone. He washes his hands and sits on the bed. He feels proud. Let's say some hotel words together. Reception, reservation room, key, elevator, bed, bathroom, view. Repeat them slowly, one by one. Now let's follow Adam again. Asking for help after relaxing, Adam wants to connect to Wi-Fi. He opens his phone, but he needs a password. He picks up the phone in the room. Hello, this is the front desk. How can I help you? Adam. Hi, I'm in room 412. Can you tell me the Wi-Fi password, please? Receptionist. Of course. The network name is Grand City Guest and the password is 123. Welcome. All lowercase. No spaces. Adam. Got it. Thank you. He tries it. It works. Adam. Yes. I'm online. He messages his parents. Hi, Mum. I made it. The hotel is nice. Talk later. Dinner time. It's now 7:30 p.m. Adam is hungry. He checks the hotel restaurant. It looks fancy. Too fancy. He wants something simple. He goes to the front desk. Adam. Excuse me, is there a small cafe near the hotel? Receptionist. Yes, there's a great one across the street. It's called City Bites. They serve sandwiches, soup, salads, and tea. Adam. Sounds perfect, thank you. At the cafe, Adam crosses the street and enters the cafe. It's warm and cozy. People are eating and talking. A menu is on the wall. Cafe worker. Hi there, what can I get for you? Adam. Can I have a chicken sandwich and green tea, please? Cafe worker. Sure. Eat in or take away. Adam. Eat in, please. He sits by the window. The food comes. It smells good. The tea is hot. He eats slowly, enjoying every bite. He feels happy, proud, and calm. After dinner, he returns to the hotel. Evening at the hotel. Back in his room, Adam takes a shower. He dries off, puts on clean clothes, and writes in his small notebook. Today was a big day. I traveled to a new city. I checked in at a hotel. I spoke English. I asked for help. I found food. I feel strong. I feel brave. He turns off the light and sleeps. The city lights twinkle outside. The next morning, Adam wakes up early. He stretches and opens the curtain. Sunlight fills the room. He gets dressed and goes downstairs. Waiter. Good morning, sir. Would you like coffee or tea? Adam. Coffee, please. Breakfast smells good. There are eggs, toast, fruit, juice, and warm muffins. Adam eats slowly, watching people around him. Some are tourists, some are busy with meetings, some are like him, just exploring. Checkout day. 3 days pass quickly. Adam packs his things, checks the drawers, and looks around the room one last time. Adam. This was a good trip. He takes the elevator down. At the front desk, the receptionist smiles. Receptionist. Good morning, Mr. Zaki. Checking out? Adam. Yes, thank you. Everything was great. Receptionist. We're happy to hear that. Here is your bill. Adam. Can I pay by card? Receptionist. Of course. He pays. She gives him a receipt. Receptionist. Thank you for staying with us. Have a safe trip. Adam. Thanks for everything. Goodbye. He walks outside. The sun is shining. He takes a deep breath. He's ready for the next adventure. Let's review hotel and travel words. Reception. Reservation room key. Card. Breakfast. Elevator. Shower. Wi-Fi. Cafe. Check-in. Check-out. Now, it's your turn. Try saying, I have a reservation. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Where is the cafe? Can I pay by card? You did great today. You followed Adam on a full hotel adventure in English. Every step makes your English stronger and your confidence bigger. Thanks for listening. If you liked this story, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. We'll bring you more real-life English stories soon. See you next time.